Hi, it's me once again, Nicole, coming from After4Teenz Bahati. Today we had a super amazing car wash day, which we literally washed cars. As you can see behind me, there are a couple of cars, which some have already left. So this is just us having some fresh time. As you can see, I was literally also washed. You'll know the story behind this washing that just happened when you get deeper into this video. So feel free to go on our Facebook page and also Instagram page. Before I forget, we also have YouTube. Yes, feel free to go there at NCC KG After4Teenz and catch up with this amazing session that I'm going to be having with teens from KG Bahati. They'll be giving us different feedbacks as to what they experienced and how it felt to wash these cars. Hi, Brandon.
Hi.
So, guys, before I forget, remember I mentioned about my wash kind of thing. So today is Brandon's birthday, and as he was getting washed and washing cars, I felt part of the victim. So, birthday boy, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Yes, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm good. I'm enjoying my day and I'm grateful.
Jay story, sipo ulikuwa unawasha magari?
Yeah, kabisa.
How was your experience with washing those cars?
It was so good. It was so good. Actually, ilikuwa first time yangu kuosha magari. Nimejifundisha kuosha gari vizuri, kusugua huku chini, kufanya nini. It was a good experience actually.
For real, last time niliacha kwa na gari. Bado uko na gari ama?
Iko zimeosha by the way.
Umelipia? Dongapi?
More than hata ile mlikuwa mnaitisha.
Guys, it's just right to Russian. Oh my gosh, guys, fake fruit again! So, guys, as you can see, this is what I felt victim of last time. And yeah, so that was just me trying to evade that process. So, Brandon, after that refreshment, you were explaining to us how you literally look like you.
Oh my goodness, it's okay.
You're just dripping water. That's how you also drip money.
Yeah. You ni swali. Really?
So you're literally telling us as to how like the car wash and what was the aim of the car wash.
Okay. Tulikuwa kwa ni car wash. Ni purpose ya car wash ni ku support teens.
Okay.
Support any kama tunahitaji ku renovate teens. Hiyo pesa ya car wash inatusaidia ku renovate teens. Kama tunahitaji kununua new microphones, new speakers, anything that involve two teens. So tutafutanga any project that we can do ku raise your pesa ku support teens na pia ku support one another.
Well, that's nice.
Yes.
See, mimi nikuache juwe kukauka. I think hata nimesimama nawe nimekauka kiasi. Manze mtangedhani birthday is for two.
Si ndio ni yetu sio wili.
Chairman, kidogo una mistake. Nya chairman peke. Me, I was not part of the birthday.
Yes.
So guys, that is just Brandon, our chairman. That's from After4Teenz, who has just been able to give us a feedback. And as y'all can see, he looks so energetic. It's his birthday and we are definitely having fun. Catch me as I go meet the rest of the guys. Feel free to leave any comments below and share or have any questions about KG Bahati. Feel free to leave them down below the comments and we'll definitely be able to reach out to you. Okay, so Mkwacha guys, how have you been and how was the service for you?
It was nice. It was something that we really enjoyed doing as a teen committee, and it was just something that we loved engaging ourselves into.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Lakini najua pia leo ulikuwa pia na hard time kwa one car.
Gari moja linipea tashwishi bwana.
Ulijifundisha kitu ka self control,
patience, self control, tolerance. Yani moral values zilipanda tu zenyewe. As in zilijicontrol tu zenyewe.
That was literally nika ile process yenye Jesus alipelekwa kwa wilderness to be tempted.
Kabisa.
So ulipita zote?
Yali ni tempt. Nikamjua tu nimenyamaza. Yeye mwisho nilimake sure tu nimeipita. The third temptation. Yani with God. Anything is possible, you know, you get.
Na Lavinia mikono zimeband rada.
nakwambia tunatoka kula sembe, mboga na yani nakwambia sisi ni wapishi pia in short.
You are all rounded.
We are all round.
See, what's
serve
about
God, we
sit
do everything.
tuingie huko ndani, we meet the rest. Hi. Hi. How you doing? So today, witness Jimbo no na hepa. Okay guys, so that was just me catching guys off guard. Kama mnaona people are eating. Kuna wengine pia mamota slay na watu kwa car wash. But do we say? Do you mind telling us the experience while you're washing the cars and what did you learn?
For one, it was tiresome. Yes.
Really?
So
maybe makeup haijatoka, so how was it?
Lazima tunene. Tunaosha tu tukiwa nayo. Oh, what we've learned. What have you learned? Anasema hard work pays.
We have another room inside there where we can get some guys eating, and this is literally gonna catch them off guard. So feel free to just join me and have these guys answer a few questions for us. Guys, how was the experience today?
I'd say it was a total success.
Tumevunjika, tumechoka. Haikuwa rahisi.
Beki pani umosha gari ngapi hivi juu? Kwako ukweli mpaka macho.
Gari kubwa.
Big things.
Big cars. Land Cruiser.
Eish.
Maprado.
Mbako unajua majina leo.
Mambo ya X.
Na kuna ingine ilikuwa imepaka pale.
Mercedes,
Ilikuwa inaitwa
Be My Wife. Discovery.
Discovery.
Nini?
Because Becky, you know the terms.
Bado nauliza. Bado na ask. Nazijua.
All right. So kuna kitu mmeplan, like what was the motive of the car wash?
Hiyo ndio ilikuwa ya ku raise funds. Tuko na hike. Tuko na hike on Friday. Tunaenda Karura.
Afu unasema ukiblush, kwani kuna mtu na expect?
Kuna watu. And expect kila mtu akam, kila teenager mwenye kwa hapo hivyo nje akam tu.
And by the way, what was the turnout like for today?
Tulimwalk. Ujuku walk. Watu walikuwa wengi. And we thank God for that.
Tumeenjoy, imekuwa time poa. Imekuwa blessing.
Tumeosha
na next.
Wani makarai pala hata si zetu. Akitarudisha tu.
Tume have fun. As teens tunapenda kukaa hivi tujuane. This is how we mingle. Tunajuana, tunapendana, tunashare the love of Christ.
So guys, you've been able to hear it all. Then kuna huku pia, the gentleman behind it all.
Yeah, Mr. Flex here. Sound man.
Fixing the wires.
The wiring.
How has it been?
Imekuwa tu fiti na thank God. No. So nashukuru na thank God kwa venye the car wash imekuwa tu poa. Na appreciate pia watu wote walikuwa wamejituma. Yeah.
So guys, that's literally it from me today. It's literally been an amazing experience having each and every team come together and just wash cars. It's been a blast day, and as you can see, the people who I'm hanging around with, I was the only person dressed. The rest, it's a whole football match going on. But it's been amazing having you guys tag along on this important day for us. So please feel free whenever, and as I've said, if you have any inquiries about our church, feel free to go to our comments page and just comment on any question, and you'll definitely have an answer within 5 minutes. Yeah, within 5 minutes we'll have someone reach out to you and you're gonna be guided. Apart from that, guys, have a lovely day, and it's been a blessing hearing from you.